It's Vlogmas. Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtmarie, and if you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. So if you have not watched my last video, I'm gonna need for you to stop, go back and watch it, and then come back. So my last video, I told y'all that I was making my famous Cajun pasta. Well, I did, and this video I'm gonna show you guys how I made it. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before you drifting me deeper. Baby, now hold me close, close. Let's take this overboard now.
was 10 out of 10, as you can see. Don't have anything planned for today. I think I'm gonna just try to reset, straighten up the house because life has been lifing. I really haven't had time to do anything, wash clothes, straighten up how I wanted to. So this vlog, I'ma just reset, and it's not Sunday, it's not the weekend, but the weekend is coming. So I'm gonna just try to reset and get my life together. So I am uploading my video that I recorded earlier today. It is my giving back vlog, my angel tree shopping video. Like I said, if y'all have not watched that video, please go back and watch it. Y'all, like, I can't even. My vanity looks a hot mess. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Let's fix this. I am finished cleaning my vanity. This is how it looks. Excuse him in the background, he playing the game. But this is how my vanity looks. It's clean. I just have to find a place for all of this stuff. I had to find a place for all of that stuff, but my vanity is clean. Hopefully. Well, I know it's not going to stay like this, but it's clean for now. I'm about to clean my makeup brushes. I don't have that much to clean, so it shouldn't take me that long. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished cleaning my room and my vanity area. That bag, I just have stockings in it for Christmas gifts, so I just left it out. But this is how everything is looking so far. These are brushes that I cleaned. Everything is clean. This is just a extra container, but yep. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm going to end this vlog right here. My bedroom is clean. I will tackle the kitchen tomorrow. My living room isn't bad. Really, it's just the kitchen in my room that needed cleaning. But I'm gonna tackle the kitchen tomorrow. Right now I'm about to eat my leftovers again. And I will see y'all on tomorrow's vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all tomorrow.